In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link to an audio overview. This process is wonderfully straightforward and perfect for anyone looking to effortlessly share audio content with others. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open your notebook. Now, it's important to ensure that your notebook is properly set up and contains the content you wish to generate an audio overview for. Having your content well organized will make this process smoother and more efficient. Once your notebook is open, direct your attention to the Studio panel. Here, you'll find various tools to enhance your workflow. But our focus today is on the Audio Overview feature. Selecting this option will initiate the generation of the audio overview from your notebook's content. This is a great feature for those who prefer listening over reading or want to provide a quick and accessible summary of content. After the audio has been generated, you'll want to share it. Within the audio player that appears, you'll see a Share button. Click on it to get started with sharing your audio. This is a crucial step for those who want to engage others with their audio content, whether it's for collaborative purposes or simply sharing interesting material. It's important to make sure that your notebook is appropriately shared with your intended recipient. If you haven't set this up yet, you'll need to adjust your sharing settings. You can choose to share your notebook with specific individuals, or set it to anyone with the link, depending on your needs. This ensures that the person receiving the link has the necessary permissions to access the audio. Once you've verified that your notebook's sharing settings are correctly configured, go ahead and copy the generated link. This link serves as the key to accessing your audio overview and can be easily shared through various channels. Whether you're using email, messaging apps, or social media, the convenience of a simple link makes distribution quick and effortless. And there you have it. You've successfully generated and shared an audio overview link. This method is not only efficient, but it also enhances your ability to convey information in an engaging format. Remember, the ease with which you can share this link means you can reach a wider audience, providing them with immediate access to your audio content. By following these steps, you're well on your way to making your information more accessible to others. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this video helps you generate and share audio overviews with confidence and ease. Keep experimenting with these features to discover more ways to streamline content sharing. Until next time, take care and happy sharing.